Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Landari, NIM 23050460022. Mathematics Education Study Program, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education. I will explain the result of International Journal Review. Employability and certification of Mathematics Education Program graduates of Science and Technology in Southern Philippines. Author Maria Carmen L. Paula Dennis B. Robley, University of Science and Technology of the Southern Philippines. Presenter Anissa Wulandari. Introduction. Quality education is seen as a pillar of a country's success. The Teacher Education Institute aims to produce competent and highly qualified graduates who can work at home and abroad. Besides, mathematics program combines aspects of pure mathematics, analysis, algebra, and geometry with an understanding of the nature of mathematics, language, and mathematics education, effective aspect of mathematics learning. Comparative mathematics education, mathematics problem solving, and assessment of mathematics learning. Methods. This research uses a descriptive survey questionnaire which is given either face-to-face, in person, or online to respondents. Survey research uses the application of scientific method by analyzing and explaining source material correctly, analyzing and interpreting data, and arriving at generalization and prediction. The data collected is analyzing using frequency counts, percentages, mean, and standard deviation. Permission and approval from the approval authorities were obtained before the research was conducted. Findings. The result of the distribution of LET mathematics biased who passed, failed, and have not taken the professional teacher exam. The majority of MIC mathematics graduates from PhD majoring in mathematics. Graduates of mathematics education are licensed professional teacher in their field. Frequency of MIC mathematics and PhD mathematics employment status of graduates of Science Department Mathematics Education from I-1 2999 to 2018. Frequency of beside job placement of mathematics graduates. Frequency of mathematics employment status of education graduates. Next, the level of certification of mathematics education graduates with USDP service. The level of certification with mathematics education graduates with the instrument or learning climate of USDP. The level of certification of mathematics education graduates with USDP facilities. Lights, the level of addiction, the training for different skills received by education graduates mathematics. Discussion. Event 3 was addition from 2013 to 2014. 3 is an increasing trend in the number of basic graduates who passed the LET. It is also important to note that this program was first offered in 2012. The program achieved a 100% pass rate for LET. This proves that USDP's basic mathematics program is one of the best providers of LET graduates in the region and indicates that the program outcomes and program education objectives were successfully met and maintained by the program over the next years and the years to come. The basic mathematics program strives to gain national as a leading teacher education institute in the field of mathematics education and serves as a global resource of innovative mathematics teachers equipped with superior skill in content, pedagogy, research, and extension. Most of the MICT, mathematics and PhD graduates majoring in mathematical science and mathematics education graduates are licensed professional teachers in their fields. This means that they are all qualified to teach in their respective schools because they have met the minimum requirements set by the PET of even in private institutions for teacher applicants. 100% of PhD graduates in Mathematics Department of Mathematics Education graduates are working while 58 or 91% of MICT mathematics graduates are also working. 3 or 4 MICT mathematics graduates performs as of this rating. 3 is not data which can be taken whether they are working or not. This means that 3 is not opportunity for graduates to get a job if they are UICTP graduates and the program outcomes and program educational objectives of the mathematics education program are achieved based of the graduate's employment status. It can also be observed that when based graduates look for a job after graduation, their most preferred option is to apply for teaching position in private school and then a guide experience for 1 or 2 years. Then when they already have experience and training, in subsequent years, they will apply for teaching job in the paid as it can give the job security and a steady job is a public school in a notch for them to feel secure and receive all the benefit of being a government employer and therefore be considered. This means that graduates of the USDP Mathematics Education Program for undergrads to postgraduate levels are permanently employed at their respective school. Therefore, it can be said the graduates of mathematics education program have high employment opportunities and are granted in their respective positions in both private and state institutes. USDP Mathematics Education graduates are certified with the service faculty support and academic advisors, even though the service is rated the lowest among the authors. The service is still at the certification level, the high level, so their mathematics education graduates must have experienced the service in their academic journey at USDP and they are very satisfied with it. In the mathematics education program, undergraduate and postgraduate level, students are in, involved in community outreach activities. The level of certification of mathematics education graduates with the learning environment or climate the experience at UISTP. It can be seen that BSc mathematics graduates have high certification while MIST mathematics and PhD mathematics education have high to very high certification. Specifically, BSc Mathematics Education and PhD Mathematics Education graduates ranked high heels on the indicator of interaction with students, while MIT Mathematics ranked high heels on the contents knowledge indicator. This means the BSc and PhD mathematics education graduates have experienced value interaction with fellow students or friends of their classmates in the program during their academic year at the university. It appears that mathematics education graduates have moderate to high certification with the provision of facilities enjoyed by graduates during their academic period at the university. In particular, mathematics education graduates were certified with the audiovisual room and university library facilities. Mathematics education graduates reach very adequate training the effectively develop communication, human relation, leadership, problem solving, and research skill. Mathematics education graduates recognizes the fact that their problem solving skill were developed primarily based on the training they received in the academic year at the university. One of the main characters of a mathematics teacher is having strong subject matter knowledge or mathematics content knowledge and patient knowledge. He or she must have strong analytical and problem solving skill. This is very true because teacher cannot teach what they do not know. Conclusion. Based on the knowledge and findings of the study, the researchers conclude the basic mathematics, MIT mathematics, and PhD in mathematical science, measuring mathematics education. Graduates are highly employable in government and private institutions. Second, the basic mathematics and MIT mathematics graduates are mostly permanently employed in Depot Secondary School, while the PhD in mathematical science majoring mathematics education graduates are employed in higher education institution in the religion, both public and private. Further, the program curriculum was very relevant to their present jobs, hence the PEOs and POs of the program are successfully attained. The graduates have acquired and applied vital skill or problem solving, research, communication, leadership, and human relation during their academic year in the university, which are vital for their career. In turn, the graduates are highly satisfied with the USTP service, learning environment, facilities, and the skill acquired. Hence, the mathematics education program are undergraduates and graduates of USDP are responsive and sustainable to the needs of the community. The following is a bibliography of time.